After installing Metrie Complete pre-painted molding, it's important to fill all nail holes and joints to ensure consistent, high-quality finish. Metrie offers a color-matched putty to easily fill all nail holes and joints. Here are some tips and best practices for using the Metrie Complete Putty. Using your hands or scraper card, remove the putty from the jar. Always make sure that your hands or scraper card are clean and free of debris, as to not discolor the putty. Apply the putty to the nail hole using the card, and then use the card to smooth over the face of the trim. You may notice a slight halo effect of some of the putty still adhering to the trim. After approximately 15 minutes, this can be removed using a clean, damp rag. So it's been approximately 15 minutes, and I can now remove the putty halo from around the nail hole. Using a clean, damp rag, buff the face of the trim around the nail hole. Avoid going directly over the hole so you don't remove any of the putty from the nail hole. When using any Metrie Complete accessory solution, it's important to remember you're working with a finished product, so it's best to wait till later in the build cycle to use them when the job site is relatively clean. And make sure any hands or tools that are being used to apply the product are also clean, as to not discolor it.